Good morning, grade 9. Today we will start with new topic number 8 from geometry or maths 2, and that is trigonometry. Now look at this word trigonometry. Tri means 3. Okay. Gono means sides. And metry means measurements. Okay. So these three words together combined to form the word trigonometry. So this is, you can say, three Greek letters are coming together to get the meaning for trigonometry. It is nothing but measurements of three sides. Now you should understand that the subject trigonometry starts with right angle triangle. So let us start with right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? The measure of one angle is 90 degree. So let us call this as A, B, C. So A, B, C is right angle triangle. Now measure of angle B is 90 degree. Side opposite to 90 degree is AC. This is called as hypotenuse. So side opposite to 90 is always called as hypotenuse in right angle triangle. And these two sides, that is AB and BC, are two sides which are forming right angle. They are also called as legs also sometimes. Alright. Now let us see few ratios which are related to trigonometry. So we have three important ratios to be studied under the topic trigonometry. So very first ratio is called as sine ratio. Sine ratio. Now let us take an example. For example, we will say this is angle theta. This is angle theta. If I want to find sine theta, okay. So if I want to find, or first we will say what is sine ratio. Sine ratio is always given by, or its definition, or you can say formula is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. How to use this in this? Just see now. If I say that this is sine ratio, in short it is called as sine ratio, it is written like this. If I want to find sine theta. If I want to find sine theta. Now this is the formula. Theta is this angle. Now sine theta is opposite side. Which is the side opposite to theta? It is AB. So I will write here AB upon hypotenuse is AC. Are you understanding me? In short, what is AB? AB is opposite side of angle theta. So this is nothing but opposite side of angle theta upon, what is AC? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. If I wish to find sine, for example, we can call this angle as, say, sine alpha. So I want to find sine alpha. What is our formula? Side opposite to, because it was sine theta, here it is opposite side of theta. Now it is sine alpha. So opposite to alpha would be what? BC. So my answer would be BC upon hypotenuse remains the same, that is AC. You got this ratio? So in short, sine ratio is nothing but side opposite to that angle, or simply in short we can say opposite side this. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. This gives you sine ratio. Is this clear everyone? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now let us go for another ratio, and that is cos ratio. These three ratios you have to learn in trigonometry. Alright. So let us see another ratio, and that is cos ratio. Cos ratio. Now sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay, if I want to find cos theta. Now what would be cos theta? It is adjacent side of angle theta. So I will write adjacent side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. Now this is theta, opposite is AB, adjacent to it is BC, because AC is already hypotenuse. So in case of theta, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. Okay, these two sides are making angle theta. Alright, so one is BC and one is AC. AC is already, we have called it as hypotenuse because it is right angle triangle and opposite to 90 is always hypotenuse. So forget this hypotenuse, these two sides remains. For theta, this is opposite side, and for theta, this is adjacent side. So adjacent side is what? BC. So you can write here, it is BC upon hypotenuse is what? AC. I want to find cos of alpha. Now in case of alpha, opposite is BC. This is already hypotenuse, which is adjacent side of alpha, AB. So in case of cos alpha, it would be AB upon AC. Are you understanding me? So you have to be very careful which angle they are considering. Cos ratio, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. But adjacent side of angle theta or adjacent side of angle alpha. Which angle is asked? Either this or this. It depends on that what will be your adjacent and opposite side. Is this clear? Okay. So how many ratios we have learned? Sine and cos. Sine is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Now let us go to the third ratio, and that is tan ratio. Okay. See now what is tan ratio? Tan ratio is given as opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Now I want to find tan of theta. For theta, opposite side is what? AB. And adjacent side is what? BC. So your hypotenuse doesn't come into the picture. Alright. Now I want to find tan of alpha. Alpha. Opposite side is what? BC. And adjacent side is what? AB. Got it? Hypotenuse doesn't come into account over here. Now for your information, I would like to tell you. Now see, if I write only theta if I take, sine theta is what? Sine theta is AB upon AC. What is cos theta? Cos of theta is BC upon AC. And just now we have found tan of theta. What is tan of theta? Tan of theta is opposite upon adjacent. That becomes AB upon BC. Now one more ratio is, or one more formula is there to find tan ratio. Always remember, tan is equal to sine upon cos. We can work out over here. See, tan theta is, what is sine theta? Sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, so what is tan theta? We can check with this. First of all, write sine theta. It is AB upon AC. This is sine theta upon, what is cos theta? BC upon AC. Open up this. It is AB upon AC. Division I am going into multiplication. So this will become reverse. It will be AC upon BC. AC got cancelled and we are left with AB upon BC. Okay. So please remember, sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. And tan is opposite upon adjacent, or you can say sine upon cos is also given as tan. So with this much knowledge, we will be able to solve practice set 8.1. Let us go for the first problem. Now look at first problem. We have to find sine P. Angle P is this. Now this is 90, so this is hypotenuse. First you mark hypotenuse. Okay. Now for this angle, that is P, opposite side, look at sine ratio. Opposite upon hypotenuse. So this would be equal to, what is opposite to sine angle P? Angle P opposite side is RQ, or you can write QR. Hypotenuse is what? PQ. Okay. Now they have asked, look at this angle very carefully. Now it is cos Q. Q is this. Cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. For this adjacent side is RQ. So again you have RQ upon hypotenuse is PQ. Now tan of P, opposite side upon adjacent side. So opposite to this is RQ upon adjacent is what? PR. And what is tan of Q? Tan of Q, opposite to this is PR upon adjacent is RQ. Look at these ratios. Okay, it is very easy. You would be able to do it. So please try doing the next problems as well. That's all from my side for today, students. Thank you.